Hi, my name's Julia, and I'm here to show you how to get the best possible recording for any upcoming virtual performances at Toronto Arts Academy or Singers Edge. In this video, we'll go over what you need, how to set up, how to record along to click backtrack, and finally, how to submit your performances online. Let's get started.
Here's what you'll need before you record. A device to play your backtrack that has both speakers and a way to connect earphones such as a smartphone, tablet, or a computer. An MP3 of the backtrack to your song with click intro that was prepared by your teacher. A separate device to film and record your performance. Again, this could be a phone, tablet, or computer with a webcam. Earphones or earbuds, either wired or Bluetooth. Try to avoid big, bulky headphones which can be distracting. The more discreet, the better. Someone to help you record. This will go more smoothly if you've got a buddy or a parent to help you film. If you can't get anyone, then make sure you can set up your filming device on a tripod, stand, or shelf. Optionally, you could use an external microphone, although this requires a more technically involved setup that your teacher may or may not be able to help you with. Next, we'll move on to how to set up for your recording. Find a spot to perform with a clean, tidy, nice-looking background. Try in front of a wall, a corner, or any decorated area in your home that shows off your personality. Feel free to be creative. But remember, the focus should be on you, the performer, and not on the background. Turn on the lights and open any curtains or blinds. If you can set yourself up to face a window with lots of daylight, that's even better. Your video will look so much more clean if you've got good lighting. Get dressed up. Ask yourself, how would you dress if this were an in-person performance? How would you like to be seen by the dozens of people watching? And finally, if you're using a phone or tablet to record, make sure you're set up to film in landscape. That's horizontally, which is best for video, not vertically like you might normally use for selfies. Now that you've got everything you need and you're all set up, it's time to record. You might want to practice this part a few times before doing the real thing. Step 1. Begin with your earphones unplugged, but have them in your ears. Step 2. Start recording on your filming device. Step 3. Begin the playback of your backtrack and let at least 2 clicks play out loud. Step 4. After 2 to 3 clicks play out loud, plug in your headphones or connect via Bluetooth. Step 5. Sing and have fun. Remember, you don't need to rush. If you're on video trying to connect your headphones after your click while the music has started, it's no problem at all. We have lots of flexibility when editing your video and can fade into your performance at the right time during the edit, so we won't see you plugging in your headphones at all. Here's how everything might look all together. I used one phone to record video and another for playback.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark.
Great! Now that you've gotten a take you're happy with, we've got to name it correctly. Make sure to rename your file teacher name _ student name _ song name. This ensures we can properly find and sort your file. Once you've named your file appropriately, head on over to torontoartsacademy.com/upload or singersedge.com/upload to upload your files. Just drag and drop the file or hit Select Files from your computer to open up the File Explorer and choose from there. Then, enter your name, your email, and hit Continue. You'll then have to wait for your file to upload, which could take some time depending on the file size and your upload speed. You will know it's finished once you see the successful page pop up. Please make sure to use the correct link for the correct school. If you're an adult opting to perform as part of the set of the downtown school, please make sure you indicate this on your registration form and use the Singers Edge upload link even if your normal lessons are through Toronto Arts Academy. We want your performance file and registration to go to the right place. Please only use these links to upload. Do not email us your file, as we might miss it and your tracks won't make it into the performance.
So there you have it. Now you should have everything you need to get an awesome quality performance. Make sure to reach out to us if you have any questions at all, and we'll be sure to help you out. Remember, practice hard, and most importantly, have fun.